Ever found yourself stuck in the middle of a hike, thinking you had that one perfect gadget to save the day? Well, we've all been there. Whether it's scaling mountains or trekking through dense forests, the right gear can transform any outing from ordinary to extraordinary. So, in this video, we'll share a list of 40 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Without further ado, let's stick around. Trekking poles can be a huge help on those steep trails on your hiking adventure. Keeping that in mind, we included the Trekology Trek Z Cork folding hiking poles. This set of 2 poles features adjustable lengths, durable metal flip locks, strong 7075 aluminum alloy construction, adjustable wrist straps, and sweat-absorbing cork grips. Weighing only 11.5 ounce each, these lightweight poles collapse to a compact size of 15 inches, making them easy to carry in a backpack or luggage. The height adjusts from 43 inches to 51 inches, accommodating users between 5'2" and 6'5" in height. It is made from aerospace-grade aluminum. These poles are designed for durability and longevity. The cork grips conform to the shape of your hand, providing a comfortable grip even in sweaty conditions. Each set includes accessories for various terrains, making these poles versatile and suitable for any adventure. The Trek Z hiking poles are a choice for increasing sustainability and balance while reducing the impact on ankles and knees. We have the Exoon automatic water filter bottle that is reforming the way hiking enthusiasts purify water. With just one touch, this innovative gadget can transform any water source into safe and clean hydration in a mere 25 seconds. It is designed to sustain the toughest trails. The Exoon can filter up to 900 milliliters of water per minute, eliminating impurities as tiny as 0.1 micrometer. The powerful built-in battery can purify the entire bottle 100 times on a single charge, providing a huge 17 gallons of purified water from any source, whether it's a river, lake, or spout. The Exoon can even handle hard-to-reach water sources with its water inlet at the bottom of the cup or a water pipe for those trickier spots. And if that's not enough, the Exoon also features a handy light that can be activated with the press of a button, providing illumination or an SOS signal when needed. Get rid of the water purification issue on your next hike using this cool water purifier bottle. Long-lasting and comfortable footwear is a necessity for anyone who enjoys hiking and other outdoor adventures. And the Columbia Facet 75 Alpha hiking shoe is designed specifically for tackling wild and rugged trails to make your hike effortless. The OutDry waterproofing technology ensures that your feet stay dry and comfortable, even in moderate to heavy rain or snow, with its impenetrable membrane and bonded construction. On top of that, these shoes provide unmatched comfort and stability on uneven terrain, while the lacing system offers a natural midfoot lockdown and enhanced fit for confident movement through the NavicFit technology. The TechLite plush cushioning provides long-distance performance and durability, with a seamless transition from heel to toe that's perfect for variable terrains. When faced with slippery or tricky sections, the Adapt Trax traction system takes over, featuring a specialized tread pattern for excellent grip over wet terrain. The modern and lightweight design combines a durable mesh and knit collar upper for exceptional comfort, while the TPU heel clip adds stability, making the Columbia Facet 75 Alpha the ideal companion for your next rugged hiking adventure. In week-long hikes, one of the most necessary gear is a head torch in the evening to continue the hike. And the Alpkit Kark head torch is an affordable option that excels in simplicity, comfort, and reliability. Although its runtime may not be the longest, it offers versatility by running on either a USB rechargeable battery or a AAA battery, making it easily adaptable to any situation. With a single button on top serving as both the power and mode buttons and a rotating bezel for beam adjustments. This head torch is user-friendly and easy to operate. While it has an impressive IPX6 water-resistant rating, it may not feel as rugged as other options on the market. However, It can handle rainy conditions with ease, and as long as you're careful not to accidentally headbutt anything while wearing it, it should hold up well on your hiking adventures. In adventurous day-long hikes, you can face unexpected weather conditions. The Arc'teryx Beta LT is a jacket that is crafted from 3-layer GTX fabric with a tricot backer for all your hiking and backpacking adventures to tackle this type of condition. This jacket is designed with versatility to handle a variety of activities in any weather, making it a lightweight yet powerful choice for outdoor enthusiasts. It offers complete protection from the elements, waterproof, windproof, and breathable, ensuring you stay comfortable in any condition. The helmet-compatible storm hood provides a fully adjustable fit and coverage without obstructing your vision, while the underarm zippers allow for quick and easy ventilation when things heat up. The watertight front zipper, watertight pocket zippers, and rain shield zipper sliders add an extra layer of weather resistance, although it's important to note that while watertight zippers are highly water resistant, they're not entirely waterproof, so it's best to avoid storing moisture-sensitive items in your pockets. With adjustable cuffs, a drop-tail hem, and dual hem adjusters, the Arc'teryx Beta LT provides a customized and bulk-free fit, making it the perfect companion for your dynamic hiking adventures. When it is a week-long hike, one of the most important pieces of gear is a reliable stove for cooking meals and boiling water. However, finding a stove that performs well without breaking the bank can be a challenge. The Soto Amicus is a budget-friendly canister stove that delivers quality performance. This stove is a stellar choice for camping and backpacking enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on capabilities. Whether you need to simmer a sauce or mix and match with various cookpots, the Soto Amicus has got you covered. Weighing in at only 2.9 ounces, it won't burden your backpack, and the stealth igniter tucked inside the burner post ensures durability on the trail. When the wind picks up, the unique raised ledge and concave burner surface deliver superior performance, even under gusty conditions. The Soto Amicus proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability, making it the perfect choice for hikers seeking a low-cost stove with high-end performance. Choosing the right socks can make all the difference in terms of long hikes. Based on the experienced hikers, we've found that thinner socks are ideal for climbing on glaciers and hiking through deep snow, where agility and precision are key. However, during slower-paced day hikes or low-intensity camping trips, thicker socks can be a game changer. That's where Darn Toughs come in. They provide exceptional comfort and warmth without any itchy wool to worry about. So, whether you're tackling a challenging mountain trail or enjoying a leisurely stroll through the woods, having the right socks can help ensure a comfortable and enjoyable hiking experience. The last thing you want is to feel every shock and jolt from the terrain when you're out on a hike. That's where the Wiz Heritage trekking pole comes in. Crafted from durable Duralumin 7001 and standing at just 17 inches, this compact and lightweight pole is the perfect companion for any adventure. But what really sets it apart is its innovative 5-core shock absorber system. Unlike other poles that only have one core, the Heritage boasts an anti-shock system with 4 microcores and 1 main core, ready to absorb shocks of all intensities. Whether you're wandering through the woods or tackling a tough trail, you can feel confident knowing that the Heritage's microcores will relieve fatigue and evenly distribute pressure on the ground. Plus, with its flip-lock and one-touch installation features, you can easily and securely set up and take off in just 5 seconds. So without settling for a run-of-the-mill trekking pole, you can enjoy the adventurous hike with this reliable Wiz Heritage. Literally, carrying a heavy backpack can be a real pain in a hike. That's where the Hoverglide from Lightning Packs comes in. This innovative backpack is designed to ease the carrying process and make your hike more enjoyable. Unlike conventional backpacks, the Hoverglide is the first one that actually hovers on your back, reducing the impact you feel while moving by a whopping 86%. With 4 different models available, this backpack is not just for day hikers or trekkers, but also for commuters and tactical uses. The durable construction and smooth gliding mechanism make it a game changer on any hike, allowing you to focus on the scenery instead of the weight on your back. Now, you have no worries about sore shoulders and back pain, and enjoy a more comfortable hiking experience with the Hoverglide. Here's the Prudo Mesh, a mesh communicator that will rearrange the way you stay connected with your hiking buddies. No more hassle of carrying bulky walkie-talkies or relying on spotty cell service with it. This compact and portable device delivers crystal clear voice quality, making it easy to communicate with your group, no matter where you are on the trail. But what really sets the Prudo Mesh apart is its advanced noise suppression technology, which filters out background noise and ensures that your messages come through loud and clear. And with its waterproof design, you can rest easy knowing that sudden rain showers or adverse weather conditions won't damage your device. The Prudo Mesh is the perfect solution for hikers who want to stay connected and safe on the trail. The Wear Graphene Gamma Jacket is the perfect solution to keep you warm and cozy during those chilly winter hikes. Infused with 100% graphene, this jacket provides superior heat management, ensuring that you stay comfortable even in the coldest conditions. But don't think that this jacket is only useful during winter. Its thin and ultralight design makes it highly breathable, perfect for those sweaty summer adventures. With 10 intelligently placed pockets, you'll have plenty of space to store all of your hiking essentials, while the controllable heat system and waterproofing make it even more practical for those unpredictable outdoor conditions.